Hey guys, and welcome back to Code&Gamology. Today I'm going to show you how to use layers, a function in Scratch. So if you'll take a look at my analogy here, I did doors within a door within a door. And that's basically how a layer is. And if you want another analogy, look at this cake here. A cake is just a layer of cream on top of a layer of cream on top of a layer of cream. And back to the door analogy, layers can go on indefinitely. So depending on how many sprites or objects you patch on top of each other in Scratch, that's just how many layers you'll have. And if you were to take a look in the library and the looks, which is the purple circle, you would find a block called Go to Front Layer, where you can choose the front layer or the back layer. And so for another example here, I'm going to put on 4 different random sprites on the screen here. And once I do that, I have a question, which is, can you see the bottom one? When I put them on a dog pile, can you see the bottom? The answer should be no. Unless, of course, you're Superman and you can see through walls. Now, in order to make it so the common person can see that, we need to make them go to the front layer, which would be the top of this dog pile. Now, that's basically all of it on layers. So yeah, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.